The city breathes in shadows, cold concrete hums a low old tune. Streetlights like liquid mercury on rain-slick, empty streets. Dancing with shadows that wear her name. No apology in her sway, just rhythm in the rain. Neon bleeds like old confessions on the glass. Her laughter's a key, turning in a rusted lock. Ghosts of the crowd still linger in the air, but she's the fire, catch the light, a sacred careless grace everywhere. Her body's a language the street understands. Cold wind tries to steal the warmth. The city's heart beats uneven, raw and bare. She doesn't search for meaning, she